All right, guys, so you're thinking of moving to Fullerton, California. Why not downtown? I have this beautiful area right here for you to check out. And this home is 142 Brookdale in Fullerton, California. Look at that street. Beautiful. And here's the home. And let me give you a quick tour of it. Another thing I like about this area is that in this area you could see that they have those gas lamp lights. Let me zoom in real quick. I like those. It gives it a nice touch for the neighborhood. Anyway, so here we have, you can see there's, this house was built in 1920. So you see you got this covered driveway right here. Leads up to a porch. Great to kind of hang out here on a hot summer day. We get a lot of that here in California, so you get the sunshine, sip some lemonade, and come on in. As you come in here, you get welcomed by the fireplace and nice living room area. And you can see that same scenery from here. So, let me give you a view of how everything looks. Now what's really cool about this house, I think, I love the baseboards here that run throughout, as well as the coffered ceilings. You can see here. Let me take you through. This is the dining room area. You still have a nice view of the outside. Some shelving here, those coffered ceilings. Maybe a little bit better lighting in here. Here's a nice breakfast nook. You can see some storage space here, as well as the kitchen. So you can see all the amenities here. Lots of storage space for everything you need in your kitchen. As well as you can take a look here in the laundry room. It's the laundry area. It opens up to some storage here for the laundry. And walkway to the outside where you could see that covered parking area again, as well as two-car garage in the backyard. But I'll take you there later. Let me walk you through. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, so let's go take a look at those bedrooms. Walk you through here. So we're close to downtown Fullerton. You can actually walk to restaurants, as well as the bank and a few other things from here. So you can see here, we're going down the hallway. There's some storage space here for some more linens and things, whatever you guys want. 1 bedroom here, as well as a closet. And air conditioning. And here's the 1 bathroom here with a tub. And oops, we skipped one other bedroom. Here's another bedroom. Sorry about that. Another closet. And here we have the primary. So here's the primary. Has a walkway to the backyard, as well as walk-in bathroom here and a walk-in closet. Let's walk in there so you can kind of see with a window with a view of the backyard. Lots of space for your clothes here. And we'll take you to the backyard. You see you have a nice covered patio out here. And you can see the backyard from here. Let's give you some angles and some views of the backyard. Lots of space back here. You can see that garage unit. It's lots of space. both sides. And let's walk you back through this area. So you can see a nice walkway here. Takes you back to that laundry room. Lots of space for a garden here if you wanted to add some. And we'll take you back in through. This is the laundry room way. And so, again, if you're thinking of coming to downtown Fullerton, this is a beautiful home, built in 1920, like I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just a beautiful gem of an area. You got the walking to the shopping centers. There's a grocery store down the street, not too far. Everything you need, all in one location, close to Cal State Fullerton, Fullerton College, and all the great school districts that come with Fullerton. Anyway, I hope you like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.